National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Christian County, Kentucky until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Cobb to near Big Rock, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Oak Grove, Fort Campbell North, Clarksville, Pembroke, and Crofton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Christian, Kentucky. A severe thunder...